Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best small cubes is probably one of the most versatile and practical items you can add to your home or office organization arsenal, offering a surprisingly efficient way to declutter and enhance your living or working space with minimal effort and maximum impact, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to streamline their environment and bring a sense of order to everyday chaos. Number 5. Amazon Basics Collapsible Storage Cubes, 6-pack. Tired of clutter? Introducing a set of 6 storage cubes designed to keep your home neat and tidy. They are perfect for any room. Need to move things around? Each cube features a convenient fabric handle, making portability a breeze. Transport your belongings with ease. Crafted from a durable yet lightweight fabric, these bins are built to last. The breathable material ensures your items stay fresh. Use them as open-top bins or as drawers in your existing organizer. These versatile cubes adapt to your storage needs. Each cube offers ample space for organizing a variety of items. From toys to linens, they handle it all. Don't let their lightweight design fool you. These cubes can support up to 5 pounds, providing sturdy storage for your essentials. What we like? If you need a simple and effective way to organize multiple items, these are a great choice. They are sturdy enough for general storage and come in a convenient pack of 6. If you are looking for a basic, no-fuss solution for decluttering closets or shelves, this set is ideal. What people say. The product is very easy to use and assemble. The cubes are a good size for small items. The material is sturdy and durable. Number 4. ClosetMaid Cubeicals 6-Cube Storage Shelf Organizer. Introducing the ClosetMaid Cubeicals 6-Cube Storage Shelf Organizer. This versatile unit offers 6 square openings, perfect for any room in your home. Display it vertically or horizontally to perfectly suit your space and needs. Its adaptable design makes it a seamless addition to your decor. Assembly is a breeze with this organizer. You'll have it set up and ready to use in no time, thanks to its simple construction. Crafted from durable laminated manufactured wood, this organizer is built to last. It provides a sturdy and reliable storage solution. The clean white finish complements any interior style. It adds a touch of brightness while keeping your belongings neatly organized. Whether you're storing books, decor, or other essentials, this cube organizer offers the flexibility you need. Make your space tidy and stylish. What we like? This organizer offers a clean and modular way to display or store your items. Its simple design fits well in various decors. If you are looking for a straightforward shelving unit to hold books, decorative items, or even act as a room divider, this is a solid option. What people say. The small cubes are perfect for organizing my desk. I love how these small cubes stack neatly on top of each other. The material is durable and they look great in my office. Number 3. WIBIMEN Mini Ice Cube Trays, 2-pack, blue. Introducing our mini ice cube trays, designed to create perfectly sized pebble ice. These tiny cubes are ideal for chilling your favorite beverages quickly and efficiently. Tired of large ice cubes blocking your drink? Our small, round ice drops slide easily into narrow bottles and glasses, ensuring a smooth sipping experience every time. Filling these trays is a breeze thanks to the innovative lid design. Simply pour water, close the lid, and freeze. No mess, no fuss, just perfectly formed ice. Enjoy easy ice removal with a simple twist. For best results, let the tray sit for a moment before twisting, and your ice will drop cleanly into the included storage bin. Crafted from upgraded, BPA-free, and odor-free food-grade material, these trays ensure your ice stays clean and fresh. Enjoy pure, untainted refreshment. This convenient 2-pack set includes a storage bin and scoop, allowing you to make and store more ice at once. The stackable design helps you save valuable freezer space. What we like? For those who love their drinks perfectly chilled without dilution, these tiny ice cubes are a game changer. They fit easily into bottles and are quick to make. If you enjoy iced coffee, cocktails, or just want a faster chill for any beverage, this set is a must-have. What people say. The product is very durable and has a good design. It is easy to use and clean. The size is perfect for small spaces. Number 2. Gonex Compression Packing Cubes. Introducing the Gonex Compression Packing Cubes, your ultimate travel companion. This set is designed to revolutionize how you pack for any adventure. With 4 different sizes included, you can easily organize all your essentials. The expandable design ensures you can fit everything you need, no matter the trip. Crafted from ultra-soft, lightweight ripstop nylon, these cubes are built to last. The smooth zippers provide easy access and durability, even when fully packed. Tired of overpacking? These cubes compress your clothes, dramatically reducing the space needed in your luggage. They are perfect for minimizing carry-on size. Featuring a quick grab handle, these cubes are easy to access from your suitcase or backpack. They are ideal for family vacations, business trips, camping, and everyday storage. Make packing a breeze and enjoy your travels more. These organizers are essential travel gear for a stress-free journey. What we like? If maximizing luggage space is your top priority for travel, these compression cubes are your best bet. They allow you to pack significantly more by squeezing out air. If you are a frequent traveler or going on a long trip and want to avoid checking bags, these will revolutionize your packing. What people say. The cubes are a good size for small hands and easy to stack. They are made of durable plastic that has held up well to rough play. The bright colors are engaging for young children and help with color recognition. Number 1. ChefAide 4-pack ice cube trays with lids. This set comes with 4 trays, each making 14 cubes. You can get up to 56 cubes in total, perfect for any occasion. Made from durable silicone and food-grade plastic, these trays are built to last. The flexible base ensures easy ice release, extending their lifespan. Simply fill, lid, and freeze. They are also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning after use. With removable lids, they keep ice fresh and odor-free. Their stackable design helps you save space and keep your freezer organized. The unique dual material construction makes releasing ice cubes a breeze. Enjoy perfectly shaped ice for all your favorite drinks. These versatile trays are ideal for cocktails, coffee, baby food, and more. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks anytime. What we like? This set is perfect for anyone who entertains or simply likes to have a large supply of ice ready. The stackable design with lids keeps ice fresh and saves freezer space. If you frequently host parties, need ice for large gatherings, or just want a consistent supply of standard-sized cubes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a great function and feature. The product is factual and works as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.